Hi there, KPS students. Here we have subtraction video number 2. We're going to take another week to look at adding on as a subtraction strategy, except we'll see if we can find another way to do it that some kids may prefer. So here's the basics. Quick review. The biggest number is called a minuend. We always have to subtract a smaller number. That's the subtrahend. And we are left with an answer of, in this example, 15, which is called a difference. And this is exactly why the answer is called a difference, because we are looking at the difference between two numbers. What is the distance between 22 and 38? If we can find that distance, another word for that is difference. So last week we looked at the strategy of starting with our subtrahend, the smaller number, and taking some leaps that we feel comfortable with in order to get to the minuend, the bigger number. The numbers in between add up to make the difference. So in this example, 10 plus 6 is 16. So 38 minus 22 is 16. There is a distance of 16 between 22 and 38. We looked at some harder examples too. Here's one that's a little more difficult. 569 minus 115. As you can see, I took some leaps of 100 to 515. I did a friendly leap of 5 to 520, a leap of 40 to 560, and then 9 more to 569. So when I add all those white numbers up, the difference is 454. There's a distance of 454 numbers between my minuend and my subtrahend. So here's another way to look at it. At the top, you'll see the open number line that we just did in the last slide. And on the bottom, you'll see the numbers stacked. So I started with 115, my subtrahend, and I added 100 to get 215. And then I added 100. Oops, it looks like it's missing. I apologize, to get the next number. And then I added 100, and then I added 100. And then I took a leap of 5 to 520, a leap of 40, and a leap of 9. So both strategies show the exact same leaps, except for my little mistake. But either way, you can use an open number line, or you can try stacking your numbers and thinking about them mentally in a different organizational pattern. So let's try another. 854 minus 681. I'm going to start with my smaller number, 681. I'm going to take a leap of 100, which gives me 781. A leap of 9, it's a friendly number, to 790. A leap of 10, an even friendlier number of 800. And then I can leap 54 to get straight to 854. So when I add up all my white leaps, the difference between those two numbers is 173. There's my answer. So to find the difference, you can do two things. 1, use an open number line, or 2, stack the numbers like we did today. When taking your leaps and counting up, you can leap any way we choose. We had a big discussion on that in school on Friday. You go with the numbers and the leaps that you are comfortable with. Don't worry about how your friends will tackle it. So here's your homework for the week, guys. Find the difference. Use an adding on strategy and an open number line for those purple questions, and then try it with a number stack for those red questions. Good luck to you. Come and see me if you have problems. We'll work through it together. Otherwise, we'll talk about it on Friday.